That little boy from Ojalegba who has forged a glorious path against all odds. The commander-chief of Wizkid FC. A sovereign of sound, the ultimate maestro who commands the Nigeria music industry, Nigerian stage, African stage, indeed, even the world stage, with a presence so electrifying, with aura so matchless. He sends shockwaves through the very fabric of music itself. His voice, golden, vintage, surging through the heart of millions, igniting dreams beautifully and mesmerizing. An unstoppable force, too vast to be contained by a single song, a single stage, a legend who has etched his name on the golden scrolls of history. Take a bow for Wizkid.